So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can secure or protect your WhatsApp account. It's two-step verification. Two-step verification allows you to set a unique PIN on your WhatsApp so that in case you want to log in from somewhere or maybe someone want to hack your account, they will require that PIN that you set. This allows a second layer security to be enabled on your account. All right, so to enable two-step verification, you have to just go to your WhatsApp menu here. Then you come to settings. And when you come to settings, just go to account and now you will see two-step verification. Now this allows or add an extra security to your WhatsApp account. So if you have not enabled it, please kindly enable it on your WhatsApp account. So let's turn it on. So you need to create a 6-digit PIN to secure your account. So let me put in my code. So you have to confirm it. Then you save it. So as you can see, I've enabled two-step verification. Now, one thing is that you can change the PIN maybe later if you realize someone have seen, but this allows your account to be more secure. Now, one thing is that you can also add your email address. So if you don't have an email added to it, you can do that so that in case you forget your two-PIN verification, so you can reset your PIN. WhatsApp will send you an email to reset your account. All right, so that is how you can secure your account. So this, what it does is that it enables your WhatsApp account to be more secure. In case maybe someone wants to hack you or try to log into your WhatsApp account, they will be required to provide this two-step verification code. So if you have not enabled two-step verification, please kindly do it on your WhatsApp account to secure it now. And if this video has been very helpful, please give it a thumb up or please like the video and also share to help others. Now, see you.